In today's video, I will walk you through how to offset path in Inkscape. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, launch Inkscape and open an existing document, or create a new one. Add a shape or path to your canvas, such as a rectangle, circle, or custom path. Select the object using the Select tool. Offsetting allows you to expand or contract the path, which is useful for creating outlines, sticker borders, shadows, and spacing around artwork. To expand the path outward, use Outset. With the object selected, press Ctrl plus right parentheses. Each press expands the path by a set amount. Press it multiple times to increase the size further. To move the path inward, use Inset by pressing Ctrl plus left parentheses. This contracts the path and is useful for creating inner borders or inlays. If you want to change how much the path moves with each step, go to Edit, Preferences, then find Behavior, Steps. Adjust the Inset-Outset value to control the distance. Use smaller values for precise adjustments and larger values for things like bold sticker borders. You can also adjust the units to match your document. Finally, zoom in and check the edges and corners of your offset. If you're experimenting, duplicate the original object first so you can easily compare the results. And that's it! You've learned how to expand and contract paths using Inset and Outset in Inkscape. And that's how to offset path in Inkscape. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.